Welcome to this tutorial on how to update your relationship status to "It's complicated" on Facebook. Whether you're navigating a complex situation or just want to keep your social media profile accurate, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, tap the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of your screen. This will open the menu, where you can access various Facebook features. From the menu, select Your Profile to view your personal page. Here, you'll see all the information you've shared with your friends and followers. To make changes, tap the Edit Profile button. This will allow you to modify different sections of your profile. Scroll down until you reach the Details section and tap Edit to access more specific information about yourself. Within this section, you'll find the Relationship option. Tap the Edit icon, which looks like a pencil, next to your current relationship status. A list of relationship options will appear. Scroll through them and select "It's complicated." This status can be useful if you're in a situation that doesn't fit neatly into other categories like single or in a relationship. Once you've chosen "It's complicated," tap Save to update your profile. You might also want to consider adjusting the privacy settings for this information. You can choose whether your relationship status is visible to the public, friends, or only you. Updating your relationship status on Facebook is a straightforward process, but it's essential to think about how you want to present this information to your online network. Whether you're looking to keep things private or share updates with friends, Facebook provides the flexibility to manage your profile as you see fit. By following these steps, you'll be able to keep your Facebook profile current and reflective of your personal life. Remember, you can always adjust your relationship status or privacy settings later if needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.